This is DFAST, a decentralized fecal sludge treatment plant. So what we do here, liquid waste, let me call it liquid waste, because we get waste from toilets, septic tankers, from schools, from hospitals, so we bring that sludge here, we treat it, it goes through different stages under treatment. So at the end, we separate liquid waste and solid waste. So the solid waste that we collect is the one you can see that is dried in these chambers. And the end, after getting dried, so we use it as fertilizers or manure. Now the other liquid waste goes into another chamber, where now this liquid waste can be used also as manure. So after treating the waste, the dried ones, we can say they are treated now. People come here and buy and take it's 50 francs per kilogram.